We're here for the students, and we're here to provide them a great, well-rounded, holistic education. We needed to really think about how can we provide the community the service. That was through renovation. So we've been able to add 2 new science labs, which we didn't have before. We can now offer the sciences that many students are asking for and need to go into the health programs. We've been able to add additional classrooms. We have spaces where students, you can see in between classes, are sitting down, doing homework, collaborating with each other, and hanging out, frankly, part of the college experience. And as a matter of fact, the leadership has really been looking at where we want to be 5 years from now, 10 years from now. The campus is going to continue to be innovative.